Recently, I discovered a group of YouTube channels that honestly surprised me. These channels are growing insanely fast, pulling in huge views, massive watch time, and building loyal audiences all without showing a face. And the interesting part is most people still have no idea this niche is growing like this quickly. For example, look at this channel. Check how recently it started and then look at the views it has already generated in such a short period of time. And it's not just one channel either. There are multiple channels following the exact same content style and strategy, and they are getting all strong results consistently. And if you analyze the videos carefully, you will notice something important. Most of the uploads are longer videos. That means the watch time retention is in this niche is extremely strong. And on YouTube, watch time is everything. So in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can create these kind of videos step by step and start your own channel in this niche. And the niche I'm talking about is the betrayal and revenge storytelling niche. Now honestly, this niche works because it taps directly into emotion. People naturally get pulled into stories involving betrayal, revenge, secrets, emotional pain, dramatic payback, family conflicts, workplace manipulation, or toxic relationships. These stories create curiosity and emotional tension, which keeps viewers watching till the end. And the best part is, this niche works perfectly for faceless channels. What matters most is storytelling and presentation. So let's break down the process step by step using Vexub. Now the first thing we need is a video idea. And for this niche, you should always think in terms of situations and emotional conflict. For example, a best friend betrayal, a cheating partner revenge story, a workplace backstabbing situation, a dramatic family secret, a revenge comeback story, something like that. These are the kinds of topics that insanely trigger emotional curiosity. And honestly, one of the easiest ways to find ideas is simply by studying videos that are already performing well. Look at the storytelling structure, the pacing, and the emotional moments people respond to. Now, of course, you should never directly copy content. Instead, take inspiration from the idea and create your own version. One simple trick is to use AI tools like ChatGPT to write or restructure your story concepts into something fresh and unique. Once your script is ready, we can move into the video creation process. First, go to Vexub and click on Create Video. Then choose the text to video feature. After that, click on Go to Step 2. Now select the horizontal format because storytelling content usually performs well in long-form cinematic style videos. Then continue to the next step. At this stage, Vexub gives you the option to use an animated narrator. But since this is a faceless storytelling channel, we can simply skip that part. Now choose a voice carefully, and this part actually matters a lot in storytelling niches. You want a voice that feels calm, expressive, emotional, and slightly dramatic. The narration should pull viewers into the story naturally instead of sounding robotic or overly energetic. Once the voice is selected, click on Go to Step 4. Now here you can either let Vexub generate a script automatically or paste your own prepared script. Personally, I prefer preparing the story beforehand because it gives me more control over the emotional pacing and dramatic moments. So let's paste the script and continue to the next step. Now it's time to choose the visual style. Since this niche is heavily emotional and suspense driven, cinematic and human style visuals usually work best. These themes help the story feel more immense and dramatic. So let's select the appropriate storytelling theme and then click on Start Generation. Within just a few moments, Vexub automatically generate the entire video. Visuals, subtitles, music, pacing, scene transitions, everything already structured together in a polished format. Now let's preview the result.
A best friend's betrayal. Ethan and Jake had been best friends since they were 10 years old. They grew up in the same neighborhood, went to the same schools, and dreamed about starting a business together one day. Everyone believed their friendship would last forever.
Honestly, the output already looks surprisingly professional. The visuals match the narration properly, the subtitles keep the content engaging, and the pacing helps maintain emotional tension throughout the story. But what I really like is that you still have complete control afterward. You can do everything whatever you want, changing the subtitle styles, adjust music, or fine-tune the emotional flow however you want. So instead of spending hours editing manually from scratch, you are starting with a complete AI-generated storytelling foundation that you can quickly customize and improve. And once everything looks good, you can simply click on export and download the video. So honestly, if you have been looking for a faceless channel with high watch time potential, emotional audience retention, and strong long-term growth, and tools like Vexub make the entire process much faster, simpler, and easier to scale consistently. You can try it out yourself using their free credits first, then you can choose one of their subscription packages. That's all for today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.